In this video, I will show you how to make a collage on Instagram post. This way you can add multiple photos in one frame on Instagram. First, open Instagram app on your mobile. Now tap your profile image located at the bottom right side. Now we will create a new post. To do that, tap plus icon at the top and from the options, tap post. First select a picture as collage background and once done, tap next. Now tap photo icon at the top and from gallery pop-up, select an image. You can resize and align image with two fingers. Now repeat the same steps to add more images. Once done, tap next. On the next screen, you can write caption, add location, tag people, add music, or make other changes as you want. Once done, tap share button at bottom and the post will be posted to your Instagram account. So that is how you can make a collage on Instagram post. If you find the video helpful, then like the video, share with your friends and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.